strokes after I got beaten. See my head?
Oh yeah, I see that.
Niki cyatumye ugira ubuzima bukomeye cyane? Ihungabana ryo mu mutwe. Bavandimwe inshuti za Dusangire, murareba uwo mugabo uraho ngaho. Uwo mugabo twaciyanga turamubona yicaye ari kumwe n'imbwa ye, ariko yambaye ingofero asa nk'umuntu wakoze igisirikare, ariko urabona ko akeneye ubufasha. Akeneye ubufasha uburyo yicaye. Uyu mujyi barimo ntibyemerewe gusabiriza ku muhanda. Iyo bagufashe polisi iragukurikirana ikanaguhana, ariko urabona ko ahantu hari wenda adashobora kuzamura icyapa, ariko akeneye ubufasha. Ndamwegera mvugishe muciyeho ahangaha afite ibibazo, ariko umuvandimwe uza kureba iyi video wituma umugabo undi kuri Dusangire kadusangirana dusangizanye n'abandi bantu. Urukundo rusigaye ruba hasi cyane, rugeze no ku rwego aho urukangurira umuntu kugira urukundo no gusangiza abantu urukundo bikazana urwangano. Ibyo ni ibintu ngewe maze kubona mu buzima bwanjye. Ndakuze ntabwo ari ngombwa ko nzajya mvuga abantu ahangaha. Hari abantu benshi cyane banereranye kubera ko iyi Dusangire idakundwa, ivuga ku bintu tudashaka kuvuga, ivuga ku bintu bidukora ku mutima, kandi ibintu bidukora ku mutima by'ukuri ni ibintu twirinda kumva mu matwi yacu. Niyo mpamvu Yesu bamwishe, niyo mpamvu bamwishe. Tubaho ku buryo bw'ubuzima bw'igifarisayo, tuba mu mategeko n'amabwiriza cyangwa style y'ubuzima bwacu. Tuba muri style y'igifarisayo aho dutekereza ku bintu cyane, dutekereza cyane ku bintu Mwami Yesu yadusabye by'urukundo no kwibikira hejuru, kwibikira mu ijuru. Muribuka neza ibyo Umwami wacu Yesu Kristo yavuze muri Matayo 25:40. Ntabwo dushaka kumva iryo somo, riratururira cyane, rirarura n'isomo. Reka kwanza tugitwegereye umugabo turebe n'icyo tumufasha, kuko nibwo buryo bwiza bwo gukorera Umwami wacu Yesu Kristo. Muraza kumva ikiganiro aravuga mu Cyongereza, kandi ndabizi neza yuko twese muri twe, benshi muri twe tusigaye twumva Icyongereza kuko n'ururimi rusigaye rutera imbere cyane. Reka tumwegere tugire icyo tumufasha, twumve n'amateka ye n'ibibazo afite.
Kubera ko naparitse imodoka y'akazi n'ukuntu ibiteye, yahise atekereza ko ari mu ngorane, mbese ko ari ikibazo arimo gukurikiranwaho. Nicyo kintu yahise ambaza.
Hi.
He's excited. What's his name?
His name is Rabbit.
How old is he?
Iyindi mbwa yanjye barayishe, ariko polisi yamaye iyi ngiyi. Iyi niyo inshuti yanjye rero mfite ubu ngubu.
So they gave me him.
Oh.
Yeah, they gave me him. He's my buddy.
He's a very nice dog. You from California?
Uri muri California? Oh yeah. Nanagiye hariya mu bintu bigendana n'iby'insengero zacu. Ubundi ndahangaha hari umudamu wamuha imodoka, ngura imodoka ariko yarapfuye, simfite ubushobozi bwo kugira icyo nayikoreshaho. Ubu rero mbere aho ngaho ndategereje ko nzabona sheke iva mu ahandi hantu. Nitamubwira ngo akira kwanza ubufasha ngamureza amafaranga makeya.
God bless you. You're welcome to come to our church sometime.
Well, one time.
Okay, thank you so much.
None niki cyatumye ubuzima bukomera? Yesu ambwira ko ari ibibazo by'ihungabana.
Mental health.
Ariko icyashimishije kurusha ibindi byose yakomeje avuga ko Imana yamwitayeho ku buryo bwose bushoboka. Imana yamwitayeho.
And the community and the mayor was very, very nice to us. And everything, he recognized the homeless and everything that had passed away.
Right.
I've been in the community off and on for maybe 21 years, and things are good. It's just our homeless people and everything get judged. They can't help it. I mean, I'm homeless, but I'm not homeless.
Right,
I'm not like the brothers and sisters that are out here. They have a lot of problems, and they can't help from being out here.
You know what? So long as you feel hope.
Oh, I got discouraged over Christmas, because I was a little alone, and I got a little angry, and I didn't mean to, but people came and people helped. It was just very, very lonely. It wasn't bad, but it was bad. But people were coming together.
Christ is there.
And when he comes back and he sounds the horn and invites us to the wedding, we better pay attention.
We better pay attention.
We better pay.
Yes.
But he knows. He's the one who wrote the book. We can fool ourselves, but we cannot fool him.
We cannot fool him.
I do not blame my battles on him of what goes on down here, because in all of us in a way are broken.
Amen.
And to a certain extent and everything, we just have to sit there and pull back the rings and say, okay, it's gonna be okay. And that's hard for me.
Ariko hano hakomeje kunkora ku mutima n'ahantu avuga yuko ko yarari ku ibutike rimwe ariko haza kuza umuntu aramukubita aramukomeretsa. Reka tubikurikire. Yego baramubise nabi cyane, mvuna n'igufa ryo mu mbavu, ariko baramufunze bamurega kuba yaragiye kwica.
That's where my fear factor came in. Right here on my ankle here.
Oh, I see that.
Right there.
Oh, I see.
But I was supposed to have been taken care of for crime victims' rights, but it didn't happen. And after that, I really closed myself in for trust issues. I've been in Scott and White 490 times. I've had heart attacks, seizures, strokes after I got beaten. See my head?
Oh yeah, I see that.
Ariko aganakomeza kuvuga yuko ko ari isengero rikomeza kumufasha kumwubaka mu buryo bw'umutima. Ni nabyo bintu tugomba gukora cyane. Ibi bintu iyo tubivuze tubwira abantu b'abapasiteri usanga baduterereye bakumva nkaho mbese turimo gukora ibintu bibi by'urwangano, ahubwo turimo kuvuga ibintu byanditse muri Bibiliya. Nimba urimo kumva kureba iyi video, n'ukuri haguruka ukorera Imana nawe utange igice ugaragaza ubumuntu ku bantu batishoboye. Reka dukomeze twumve.
I did it for this flag.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you. You're a wonderful, wonderful man.
Oh, you're
a wonderful man. And like
here's the gum too.
Oh, guys.
A package of a gum.
Thank you so much.
Hope you're having a very nice...
Can I give you a hug?
Yes, please.
Thank you so much.
I wish we could... I wish we could talk more.
No.
But...
it's here. It's here inside the heart. And this is my buddy.
You wanna the gum?
Oh. It was okay. I didn't understand. When I grew up, I didn't know what love was.
Okay.
And so, when I came to Temple and I came to this church, and I have a friend that lives in Galveston. She's a wonderful, wonderful lady. She showed me what love was. That's all. I just wanted to be loved.
Right.
I knew I was loved by him.
Yes.
But it was like a hug or a handshake or just a tip of a hat or something, and that's all.
Without saying, I'm gonna give you another hug.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You stay blessed.
And like I said, you're welcome to come to our church anytime.
You stay blessed.
All right.
Okay?
Bye.
Bye.